Hello everybody, this is No Blind Devs, and I'm going to teach you how to use the WITCH-E Emulator. So to start, let's go on some basic terminology. First, the log. Whenever I enter in commands, the log updates with all the commands and gives me any errors if there are any. Then there are the tape readers. Currently only the first one is supported, but I'm working on it. So this tape reader is the first one, obviously, and this start button will run the commands on that tape reader. So then here's the stores, and the stores is basically memory. So for all of the people who don't know much about computers or need help or are learning, stores are kind of like boxes. So each store is a box, and then let's say you put phone numbers in that box. In this case, you could store 9 phone numbers and a plus or minus phone number in that box. So 10 plus 0 equals 10, so that's store 10. So this may update, so just row plus column equals store number. So let's begin. 2 1 0 0 0 or 0 0 0 technically. So when we hit start, as you can see, it'll increment up the store 10. Now if I wanted to do this with 11, I could go edit it, put 2 1 1 0 0, and 10 plus 0 is 10. That was the original. And then 1 plus 10 equals 11. So if we run this, you'll see it increments 1. Now I can say 1 0 1 1 1. The 1 basically says to add to stores. Then the 0 1 says to add from tape reader 1, and then the 11 says add this to store 11. Then we hit enter or return. Then we type in plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and that's the value we're putting in there. So that's the order of the phone numbers that would go in the store or box 11. Then we hit start, and as you can see, it increments 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now the reason why it delayed is because I put this there. It'll always delay. So if I hit delete, and by the way, you can't have any excess new lines, otherwise it'll give you an error. So then it fills up that store. So then what we can do with this is, say we want to add that to store 10. We can hit start, and it'll go and it'll execute. By the way, note that all these things are in the log, and you can also copy from the log. And then after this, we could go 1 1 0 1 1. What this does is it adds 10 to 11, the values of the boxes or stores. So if we do that, then you'll see that on the second one, it will add these two together and put it in store 11, because it's the second store we specified. So that is this times itself, because they were the same value. And then it adds to this. Now we can also do the same thing, but we can do 2 1 0 1 1. And then as you can see, it's a negative value. And then it also clears the other one. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and this is a basic tutorial of what I have so far. And also, you can also clear stores by doing 2 1 0 0. Although, actually, I'm going to do 21100. And by the way, you need the 00 to clear stores because that's basically a dummy address. And dummy addresses don't do anything, but they say that you can clear the original store. So if we hit start, it will go about clearing store 11. Thank you for watching this tutorial.